Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Master Odor Removal. We're here in Hampton today working on a house. It's actually been, it's on the market, and we're dealing with an issue in the garage. But for those of you in Atlanta, Atlanta Motor Speedway is actually about 2 miles that way. We are very close to the Speedway, but the task at hand is this garage. The former owners actually owned dogs, a dog or dogs. And they kept the dogs in the garage during the day when they went to work, and obviously, as you would expect, the dogs have to go to the bathroom at some point. This garage smells like dog pee. So that's what we're being called in to handle, is the smell in here. The rest of the house is fine, but the garage is pretty bad. But you can even see on this door, I mean, they must have been just tearing up this thing trying to get inside, but that is actually damage from the dogs. But what's happened is dogs went to the bathroom. The place does not smell very good. We've already treated the upper walls and the ceiling in here. We're getting ready to start on the lower walls and the floor, but it's pretty bad. This is not smelling too good. But I'm going to go into the Blacklight here and kind of show you what we're dealing with. Let me close this up real fast and get the outline. But we use an ultraviolet blacklight so we can actually see what's going on. So let's flip this out, flip this on here. Here's an example. I just want to show you, just compare and contrast. This is clean concrete right here. You can see that's all clean. Come over here. See that? That is dog pee. Come over here. Let's see, where is it? Right there. See that? See the yellow? That is what we're dealing with, and that is what's causing our stink. I've already gone through the garage. Oh, there's another spot right there. It's kind of all over the place, but mainly around the perimeter. You can see it along the edge there. That's the main problem that we've got, is it's really all over the garage floor, and as a result, the garage does not smell good. So what we're going to do, like I said, we've treated the upper walls and ceiling already, just because a lot of that smell from an enclosed area is going to get into the drywall. But we're going to be hitting the lower walls and the floor at minimum 3 times here. And what we're doing is we're going after the ammonia salts that are actually in the urine, and that's really what's causing the smell in here. But we're going to treat it at minimum 3 times, possibly a little bit more. But we're going to get the garage back to just a neutral state, just because it's just going to smell like a garage when we're done. But yeah, we're going to get this done, and then they're going to get this house sold. So that's the goal here. But give us a call. Happy to help you out, answer any questions. We handle pet smells, obviously, like this, but food smells, tobacco smells, smoke, even mystery smells. But give us a call, and happy to chat with you, get some details, and kind of walk you through our process. 470-869-3330. Give us a call. Have a great day. Take care.